This time, ang gagawin lang natin siguro, we're gonna go to Farm Plate. Dahil kasi pwede pa naman daw siya until late night. And mas pabor nga dahil kasi mas aesthetic daw siya pagdating na hapon. Then, pagkatapos noon, try nating dumaan sa, since may festival. So, daan tayo ng park. So, at least late night na rin naman siya. Pagkatapos noon, ano tayo? Bahala na kung ano pang panindahanan. Pero, alam mo yun, just making the most out of the remainder of this trip. Last two. So, right. Let's go. Yung daan lang dito, may rocky part lang siya na malubak. Pero I think dahil kasi hindi pa siya nagagawa. Cute eh, no? Filled with lights, no? I think hanggang sa taas siya. So, teka, may entrance dito. Dito tayo dumaan. Dito. Pataas na ganun. Ang cute na. Anta playground, tapos may shops there. Tapos, may mga activities eh. Dog factory. Tapos I think birdhouse. Parang sa Zamboanga. Nakakatawa. Sige, so ang entrance dito for adults is 85, for kids 65. Free use of the amenities. Tapos dun sa maglista, may bonfire sila until 7 o'clock. I'm not really sure mabot ako pa siya. It's already 6 beyond. Pero kung anong mabutan, yun yung itry natin. I'm gonna change cameras na nga muna. So hindi kasi maganda yung ilaw dito sa ZV-10. So we're going to change to camera phone. Phone vlogging, pack G. Nakahanap ako ng maayos na upuan pagka-setup nito. And look up, mas maganda yung quality ng mas maganda yung quality ng iPhone when it comes to low light situation. So katulad nito, hindi mo makikita to if I use yung Sony, or baka hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya gamitin. Pero something to study, something to look into, no? Okay. I wanna say now we're wasting daylight, pero yung mga tao dito, ni-enjoy na yung yung night scenario, night scene. It's so beautiful. Okay, kuha pa tayo na ibang shots. Yes. And I think maganda din natin puntahan dito yung church, dahil kasi dun sa movie ng I Love Lizzie yata, pinakita din nila yung church na yun. So, let's find it. Pretty sure madami nagpapa-photo doon, pa-picture. So, tayo din. Fascinating, no? Parang ano siya, dinevelop na property for sightseeing, overlooking. Galing. Tapos branded siya as happiest place in Albay. Imagine mo nga naman, no? I-set mo yung mga concept na prenups, debuts mo dito. Tapos full on maganda yung ilaw, whatnot. I can see it. Sige. Yung parte na pinunta ko at ay dine-develop pa. So, tayo sa kabila. Di ko alam kung ano ba, may ilaw dun eh. So it's a pet cemetery for all the good boys and good girls. Very interesting. Kasi nga naman, loved ones eh, part of your family forever. So I'm back to where I started. Interesting. Kulit. Butterfly. Okay, so bumalik ako dun sa pinagpasukan ko and paano ba? I'm pretty much pooped dahil kasi naikutan ko na rin naman technically yung chapel, and yung chapel lang naman yung gusto kong makita dito. Do I have a picture? Do I want to take a picture? Probably not. Meron ako kasi akong vlog eh. Ito. And that's a good enough for me. So, sige. Next naman natin would be, let's try to book a Grab. Alright, 3 minutes lang at nandito na yung Grab. So I have to go outside now. Gustong biyahe? Church is cute. Sige. Until next time.